If you want to add emoji in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to insert emojis into your project step by step so you can make your videos look more fun, more expressive, and a lot more engaging. This is perfect for captions, titles, edits, and anything where you want to add a little personality to your design. And before we start, if this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project inside CapCut PC and make sure you're on the main editing screen. At the top toolbar, click on Text. This is where CapCut lets you create and customize all kinds of on-screen text. Once you're inside the text section, click Default Text. This will create a basic text layer that you can use as your emoji box. Now drag the text box down into your timeline if it isn't already there, and then click on it so it becomes selected. You want to make sure the text layer is active before you start typing or adding anything. Once it's selected, you'll see the text editing area open up, and that's where the next step happens. Now here's the trick. Instead of typing a normal word, you're going to open your computer's emoji panel. If you're on Windows, press the Windows key and the period key, or you can press Windows key and semicolon. That will open the built-in emoji picker on your computer. This works outside of CapCut, so you can use it to insert emojis into the text box. Once the emoji panel appears, browse through the list and click on the emoji you want to use. As soon as you click it, the emoji should appear inside the CapCut text box. If there's any extra text that you don't want, just delete it, so only the emoji remains. You can also add more than one emoji if you want to create a fun style or match the mood of your video. After that, you can resize the text layer, move it around the screen, and adjust the timing in the timeline so it appears exactly where you want it. If needed, you can also change the font size and placement to make the emoji fit your layout better. This is a super simple method, but it works really well for adding visual energy to your edits, and that's it. You now know how to add emoji in CapCut PC using the text tool and your computer's emoji panel. It only takes a few seconds once you know the steps, and it can make a big difference in how your video looks. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.